Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "you can't message this account unless they follow you" error on your Instagram. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So normally, Instagram allows you to send messages to anyone even if you don't follow them. However, if you send a message and receive the response, you can't message this account unless they follow you. So it indicates that the person had adjusted their message settings, so they have chosen to receive messages only from users they follow. So if you want to activate this setting for yourself, you can just follow the steps that I am going to show you. So first, tap into your Instagram app and then just make sure that you are currently logged in into your account. And after doing so, just tap into your profile, and then if you're already on your profile, just tap into the three horizontal lines that is available on the upper right corner of your screen, and then tap into your settings and privacy. And then in here, just scroll down until you see this section that says messages and story replies. So after that, go ahead and tap into your message controls, and then in here, tap into your followers on Instagram under the potential connections. So in here, just check the don't receive requests and tap into update settings, and just like that, you should be able to receive messages from anyone on your Instagram without having them their messages be requested in your Instagram. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.